As a homeowner in Frederick, you know that maintaining the beauty, energy efficiency, and safety of your home is a top priority. One often overlooked yet highly impactful way to achieve this is through residential window replacement. Upgrading your windows offers a range of benefits, from enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency, making your home more comfortable and valuable in the long run. Here are the top benefits of residential window replacement for homeowners in Frederick. Enhanced curb appeal. The windows of your home significantly contribute to its overall aesthetic. Over time, old or outdated windows can make even the most beautiful house appear worn down and tired. By replacing your windows, you instantly improve the exterior look of your home, giving it a fresh, modern appearance. New windows can also provide an opportunity to update the style of your home, whether you opt for sleek, contemporary designs or classic, timeless frames that better suit your neighborhood's architectural style. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your windows is the potential for significant energy savings. Older windows, particularly those with single-pane glass or damaged seals, are notorious for allowing drafts and air leaks. This can cause your heating and cooling systems to work overtime, leading to higher energy bills. Newer windows are designed with advanced insulation technologies, such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and argon gas fills. These features help to keep the temperature inside your home stable, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling and resulting in lower energy costs. In Frederick, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly throughout the year, energy-efficient windows provide substantial savings on your utility bills, making them a smart investment. Increased comfort. If you've ever experienced cold drafts during the winter or the stifling heat in the summer, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Old windows that are poorly sealed can let in drafts, allowing the outdoor air to affect the indoor environment. By replacing your windows, you create a more consistent and comfortable living space. Modern windows offer better insulation and prevent temperature extremes from entering, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Noise reduction. If your home is located near a busy street or in a noisy neighborhood, you understand how disruptive sound can be. Residential window replacement can help reduce external noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful environment inside your home. Double pane or triple pane windows, often found in newer window models, have soundproofing properties that can help buffer noise from traffic, neighbors, or other external sources. This benefit is especially valuable for homeowners in more densely populated areas of Frederick. Better security. Older windows can be a weak point when it comes to home security. Worn-out locks, cracked glass, and loose frames can make it easier for intruders to break in. New windows are equipped with more secure locks, better framing, and impact-resistant glass, making them much harder to tamper with or break. By replacing your windows, you add an extra layer of security to your home, providing peace of mind for you and your family. UV protection and furniture preservation. The sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays can cause significant damage to your home's interior, fading carpets, curtains, and furniture. Older windows, especially those without UV protection, allow these harmful rays to pass through and gradually degrade your belongings. New windows often come with UV-blocking coatings that can help protect your home's interiors from sun damage. By upgrading your windows, you preserve the vibrancy of your furnishings and reduce the need for frequent replacements, saving you money over time. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home in the future, window replacement can be a smart investment that boosts your property's value. Potential buyers are drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient windows, as they provide long-term savings and a more comfortable living environment. In addition, the improved aesthetic appeal of your home can make it stand out in a competitive real estate market, giving you an edge when selling your property. Environmental impact. As a homeowner, you likely care about your environmental footprint. Replacing your windows can have a positive impact on the environment by reducing your home's energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows help lower the demand for heating and cooling, which, in turn, reduces the amount of energy your home consumes. This results in a smaller carbon footprint, making window replacement an eco-friendly choice that benefits both your home and the planet. Conclusion. Residential window replacement offers a multitude of benefits for homeowners in Frederick. From enhancing curb appeal and improving energy efficiency to increasing comfort and security, the advantages are clear. Not only can new windows help you save money on energy bills, but they also add lasting value to your home while contributing to a healthier, more sustainable living environment. If you're considering upgrading your windows, now is the perfect time to make a smart investment that will pay off for years to come.